them in black. I'll have to do. Found gloves.
Okay.
Only £1. But also there's...
Look how much it is.
I don't know. Oh, that's cute. Did you find a jumper?
No.
What time is it?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This store will be closing in 10 minutes.
Got 10 minutes
Could
to
you
find a
kindly
jumper.
make
That's cool. I like that one.
It's not going to fit over my belly though.
Get a large one though. You get a large one because you've chilly. Good.
Right.
What's the one? You rock that. What's up, guys? How you guys doing?
How you guys doing?
As you can see, it's really,
There's a guy.
really dark, and we're starting this like vlog very, very late. But that's because we've just been sitting at home all day. But tonight, well, today, well, right now,
Right now,
we are
about to go to my mum's house
yep,
to go pick up my 3 little sisters.
yep.
We're gonna go get Callie, who is 11, and Lily is 7, and Ruby is 6.
And we have got to mind them on this very, very special day.
Why is today so special?
Because it's Bonfire night. So we've got to mind 3 kids on Bonfire night. So please comment down below and wish us luck. We don't know how this is going to turn out.
I'm used to them, obviously, because they're my sisters, but you're not.
I'm used to them, but obviously I'm not like, I haven't, well, did I take them out? I don't took them out, have I? I've only took Isabel out. As you just saw as well, me rushing around, I could not find gloves for tonight because it's really, really cold. And we're going to be out all night, so I had to get some gloves. And Amy tried to find a jumper and a hat.
Indigestion.
I think I'm dying as well.
We are going to like an event. It's like an event. It's like a community event. I go like every year, but it's Kurt's first time going. But I always take my sisters down.
I haven't actually been out for Bonfire night in like so long.
Why?
I don't know, like last time I went out for Bonfire night I must have been about 16, 17.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't really go to the events and stuff.
I love them, I do. But yeah, as I said, there's like a fair there, and there's like all food stalls, and there's a big bonfire, and there's like a fireworks display and stuff.
May I just add, I do not like rides at all. If it's little kids rides, then I'll ride them.
There's kids rides, but I don't think you'll be able to fit your butt in
No,
them.
I will.
But then again, you've got a 4-year-old's butt.
Oh, thank you for that.
Oh, guys, you can tell. You might be able to tell, I don't know, it's a bit shit lighting, but I dyed my hair. It's very black now. It wasn't very black before, but it is now.
So guys, we will see you there.
No, go on the go-kart one!
Which one?
The go-kart one!
That one?
Yeah!
How much do you want me to go on it?
Yeah! Dad!
Yeah.
Dad! Dad! You have to go on the go-kart!
Why did I say yes to this? Why did I say yes to this? Why did I say yes? Why did I say yes? Why did I say yes? I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready for this. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh god, it's started. Oh god. Oh god. It's going pretty slow, that's okay. Can you just keep it this pace? That'll be fine. That'll be fine. No faster than this, please. No faster than this. Oh my god, it's going faster. Oh my god, it's going faster. Oh my god. I don't like that. What's going on? Help me! No faster! Oh my god! Oh, it slowed down. Oh my god, it slowed down. I'm okay. Just a bit.
Did you have a nice time?
What?
Did you have a nice time?
Yeah, I might just go and puke. You want a cookie game?
Go on then.
Go on then, let's go and play it. Play fence.
No, no, not at me, not at me, not at me.
Wow. Just got a bit of string on me.
Catch all the way up there now.
Hi, I'm Lily. I'm going on the airplane ride.
Are you gonna go on that?
Hello, we're going on a ride. Check it out. Check the lights out. Hang up.
Guys, did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was my favourite part of this day.
Is it?
Callie, what was your favourite part? Come on, walk.
Going on the rides.
Kurt going on the rides.
Yeah.
You didn't have fun when you went on the ride yourself, no?
No.
No. Ruby, what was your favourite part?
When me and Lily were going up and then it just dropped down.
Lily, what's your favourite part? What?
She's coming home.
She's sad because she's going home.
She said she likes
dear.
all of it.
You loved all of it. Alright, that's good then. And I guess I just have to enjoy being pregnant because I haven't really done anything apart from standing in the rain and watching the fireworks.
I bet you wanted to go on.
Yeah, I have.
I really wanted to go onto that thing with me.
I know, but
Then again, you probably like the baby would probably fall out.
I want to be free.
I want to be free.
It's better than I expected.
I knew you'd enjoy
I
it.
thought I didn't know it was going to be that good. It's been good.
Okay, come on in, come on in, come on in, up here.
Are we making a video?
This is my puppy. She likes to lick in the ears and your nostrils. So does Kurt apparently. I just got back. I really sat on the sofa, entirely out of breath. Makeup all down my face. Kurt's drawing on a drawing board. Do you know how to spell Callie's name?
No,
Oh.
he doesn't. That's Carly.
It's so easy to spell her name.
Yay! Do you like using mine?
No. Wrong.
Is it not more right?
No.
Is it right?
No.
So close, so close. There's only one letter there.
So close.
Yay! How do you spell your name?
No.
Kurt.
Hey.
I'm so confused as to what's going on. Kurt, you seen this?
You taught me how to do it.
Me? Use me? I think I can't even twerk. What are you on about? Lily, your bum crack's hanging out.
You're scaring me.
I hate Christmas. Bye bye.
Let's just sleep.
Same.
Just come and join me.
What?
Just sleep with me.
I can't. I got my shoes on.
No, it's fine.
Laptop's in the middle of the
You
day.
sleep with my shoes on. It's fine. I'm so tired. Oi.
Yeah.
Guys, we just got back and we are really you got a gap in you.
What's going on? This is not a flattering angle.
We're really tired. Handling 3 girls in a big massive crowd of people on Bonfire night is harder than I thought. But it was a really, really good night.
It was really, really good. I enjoyed it. I enjoy spending time with my siblings, even if they're really, really annoying. They don't listen to me.
Yeah, they didn't listen at all tonight, but...
I was just like, hey, come here, come here, come here. Oh my god, I've lost everyone. Still covered in silly string.
I've got all silly string on me still.
That was funny, that.
We hope you guys at home had a safe and enjoyable bonfire. I didn't talk much on today's video. We both didn't talk much on today's video, but we were just
kind of just filming. It was too loud to film.
We couldn't, like, turn away because...
I'm kids and they don't listen, and like 1 minute they're holding your hand and the next minute they're like halfway across a field, like
so I couldn't bring out the camera to talk because we just lose them. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video anyway. We're gonna close today's video right here because we are tired, and also we got Domino's over there. We're about to munch that. If you did enjoy it, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you ain't subscribed to the family, then
what you doing?
Seriously, what are you doing? Comment down below if you enjoyed Bonfire night and you were safe. As always, stay safe, kids. Fire burns, fire's hot. That's all. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll end this video with a handshake. I've still got my gloves on. See you guys later.